What? We have a model car that we're gonna blow. Here, I'll do it. Get ready to run, okay?
3, 2,
2,
1.
Oh fuck! Oh shit! I don't. Oh shit!
Bring it over here, bring it over here.
Oh! Holy shit, dude! It just blew into pieces. Man, put that shit together and use the big one. You need to use the big one. Oh! Is that the wick? Just the small one?
Yeah. It does wonders, though.
Yeah, but you're fucking wanting to fuck up. You're gonna light it. Okay. Good luck.
Are you ready?
Yeah, just don't wreck the leaf.
These firecrackers shatter and blow everywhere.
Fuck, there's like shrapnel. Fuck.
3, 2, 1. It'll go slow, and then it'll blow.
How'd that go?
Those are the powerful. Oh, it's not doing anything. It didn't do anything to it.
Did nothing.
Ah.
Got a dud. Well, there's a little cap in it. Oh, that's just,
Look at this. Come here. You got here with the light.
holy fuck. Dude, don't put that much. The cops will be called.
Oh, man. I want to blow it up, though.
But dude, the cops will be called.
Oh, they won't.
Derby's still on.
Are you ready?
No! Fuck, hold on. I'm getting out of here. Go. That's gonna be like so many going off.
Oh, yeah.
Where's the grinder?
As soon as it goes off, it'll go this way. My pocket.
Is it filled?
Some didn't go off.
No, a lot didn't go off. Ow!
This one didn't go off.
There's one.
No. This one didn't go off.
I'd give it up, man. Too short of fuses. Let's not try that.